Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about oil, crude oil. This is the monthly chart I made on last Saturday, over the weekend for my subscribers, and gave it to them already. So I just wanted to share with everybody else as well. So here is the monthly chart, and this is how it shows here. See, this area is 76, 79. Very, very nice high, monthly high here. And then you have 78.40 here, right? So we already went above this 76, 79. Last week, I had a very nice trade just off of this level. I think I can show you here. I don't know if I have it open here. Oh, here. You see that? This is Friday, last Friday. And beautiful trade, 76, 79. So it bounced from here, nice and clean, and went up. And so far, what it is doing is going above, trying to go above this, 78.40, right? So right now, you can read here, 79.10. So we are, nicely above this level, above this. So I think that we are good to go to the upside. And the weekly chart is this. This is the monthly chart and the weekly chart also. I said this is how it is. Gonna be going above this, and this already gone, right? So next target would be 85.01, and maybe next even higher. So this is how my charts are. And the 40-minute chart that shows a very nice setup here right now. So I'm gonna wait and see that if I get a blue candle here, right, or even a reversal candle, I'll go in. Because this one and this one got knocked out at break even, and here again I'm gonna try if it can stay above this high here. See that high? So if I can get a reversal candle again, this indicator is coming down here, so it's gonna make the turn just like this one here. So I'm gonna make my move again on this one, and then let's see what happens. So weekly chart, monthly charts are very promising that going to the upside. And also I have a short going on in gold. You see this, a short entry here by the setup, by the book, and it's going on right now. And I'm sitting, yeah. So let's see, it's just bouncing, but I think that is going to go down because my gold weekly chart, monthly chart are, let me see if I can have it here. This is, my gold weekly chart showing this. So we need to go down. My target is 1802. Let's see if that happens. If this entry, the one I have right now, if it gets knocked out, that's fine. That's it. Thank you very much. This is an old chart, by the way. So, but chart stays the same. It's a current chart right now. But don't worry about this date here. So, all right. So this is it. Just wanted to share that main reason to make this video is the oil. The oil is showing is very, very, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row. It's just getting, rejected from the bottom here and pushing back up above 76, 79, and 76, 79, 78.40, and we are even higher than that. We are at 79.22. So let's see. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, go on my website, creatingtradingsystem.com, subscribe, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. All right. Sometimes I upload very, very good, most of the time my charts, my videos give you some very nice setup, just like this one. So, oil, a lot more to go, a lot more to come to the upside, and we will see. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Well, just started, right? So you have a whole week to go. All right. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.